In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to allow users to post anonymous comments in WordPress. When you go to post a comment in WordPress, you're required to enter a name and an email. Many users, though, don't want to give that information, and at times they give away fake names and emails, so it's better to give them an option to post comments anonymously. To do that, in your dashboard, go to Settings, then click on Discussion. Under the Other Comment settings, uncheck the Comment Author must fill in the name and email option. Then scroll down and click on Save Changes. Simply removing this checkbox wouldn't tell your users that they can leave comments without providing a name or email address. You may want to communicate this by showing that name and email fields are optional. So to do this, go to Appearance, then click on the Theme Editor. On the right-hand side, click on Theme Functions under Theme Files. Go to the bottom of the code. Make sure you have a recent backup of your website in case anything goes wrong. That way you can always just restore the backup. Now, paste this piece of code here. I'll link it in the description below. One thing to note, whenever you add a custom code to the parent theme, when the theme gets updated, your custom code will be removed. So it's better to use a child theme and add the custom codes to the child theme instead of to the parent theme. This way you can retain the customization you make even when the theme is updated. So now click on Update File. And now when a user tries to comment on your website, they'll see that the name and email section is optional and that they don't need to fill in that information to comment on your website. This is how you can allow users to post anonymous comments in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.